Every champion was once a beginner, and every beginner was once afraid of failing. But the difference? They didn't stop. They knew that failure doesn't mean the end. It means you've just started your real journey. So when the world says you failed, you smile and say, "It was just my first attempt at learning." Because that's how success is born. Not from winning once, but from falling 10 times and standing 11. Dreams don't die when you fail. They die when you stop trying. The project may be over, the chapter may be closed, the door may be shut, but if your effort is alive, the story isn't over. The end is just a pause, not a full stop. Your effort keeps echoing in the universe, and one day, it finds its way back to you. Rejection isn't rejection, it's redirection. When someone says no, it's not the world shutting you down. It's the universe saying, "Wait, I have something better." Behind every no, there's a hidden yes. You just have to keep walking till you reach it. The most powerful resource in the world isn't gold or oil or land. It's your ability to think. One idea, one thought, can build a rocket, start a movement, or change a life. But thought without action is like fire without fuel. So think boldly, build bravely, and work endlessly. That's the winning formula. The moment you avoid responsibility, you hand your future to someone else. Why let others write your story when you have the pen? Take control, take charge, and work not just for money or fame. Work for purpose, work for passion. Because when belief meets responsibility, history is made. The future is not in your hands, but what you do today, right now, is. You don't need to make giant changes, you just need small, consistent steps. Wake up earlier, read more, focus harder, because your habits are the architect of your tomorrow. Intelligence doesn't sit in the front row. It hides quietly in the corners, in the minds who think differently. Just because someone doesn't speak loudly or score the highest doesn't mean they can't build rockets, write books, or lead countries. Sometimes the last benchers are the first ones to change the world. No one talks about the nights when eyes were swollen from crying, or the meals skipped, or the dreams crushed again and again. But behind every successful person is a mountain of pain they silently climbed. Suffering is not weakness, it's your silent training ground. It is where warriors are made. Growth is irreversible. Once you start thinking big, once you taste purpose, once you see what you're truly capable of, you can never go back to mediocrity. The small life will no longer fit you. You're meant to expand, evolve, and elevate. Some dreams die when the dreamer dies. But great dreams, they live on. They pass from one heart to another, from Kalam to you, and then from you to a generation yet to be born. That's the power of a dream with purpose.